The parking study is used to estimate the parking demand and analyze the capacity and use the parking facilities. So our project objectives is identify the information from the parking analysis.
Firstly, we observe on the parking lot, and then we produce the detailed parking lot layout. And after a week, we conduct a license plate survey. After that, we record and tabulate the license plate survey data and analyze the license plate survey data for the inquiries of the community library. So we produce a technical report for them.
Data analysis, first we will analyze the parking duration. For example, we were using the formula to calculate the space 1. The interval time used is 15 minutes, the number of reservation is 7, the number of vehicle is 2, and the parking duration we get for the space 1 is 52.5 minutes. And this is we tabulate all the data for the space 1 until space 69. We get all the duration, and after that we will calculate the average parking duration for each row and the whole parking lot. After that, we will analyze the parking turnover using this parking turnover formula. The parking turnover for row 1, we get the number of parking vehicle is 22 and the number of parking space is 7, and we get the parking turnover for the row carpool parking is 3.1 vehicle per space. And after that, we will tabulate all the row for the parking turnover. And last, we will analyze the parking occupancy for every 15 minutes for each row. For example, the parking occupancy for row carpool parking at 9 a.m., we get the number of space occupied is 4, the number of parking space is 7. So the parking occupancy for 9 a.m., we get is 57.1. After that, we will tabulate all the data.
We can use the space occupied for every 15 minutes that calculator before to calculate. We will sum of the space occupied for every 15 minutes for each row. Then we will divide by the number of parking space. Then we will get the parking occupancies. After we get all the parking occupancies for every row, we will rearrange in the bar. Then it is shown in the slide. The highest the parking occupancies, the highest the parking demand. Therefore, the carpool has the highest. Next, we will calculate the peak period, the highest 1 hour demand for the parking lot. The calculation is shown as the left-hand side. The parking demand for 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. We will use all of the data that we get from the data analysis table 3.4.1 to 3.4.4. Then we will sum of all of the space occupied between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. divide by the 69 times 4. The 4 is the time, 50 times interval between 1 hours. Then we will get 60.51% for the parking occupancies. Then we calculate for the 10 a.m. to 11. The highest parking occupancies for the 4 hours is the 9 to 10 a.m. That means the peak periods for the parking lot is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. because its parking occupancy is the highest with the 60.151%. Next, will the parking space will be adequate in 5 years' time assumes the parking demands will grow 10% per year. That means the R will be 0.10 and the N is equal to 5. Then we will use the region's traffic load times the 1.1 to the power of 5. Then we will get 22.21. This is the traffic log for after 5 years. Then we will calculate the probability of rejections. As the result, we get the 0.00 for the probability of rejection. That means there is no driver will be rejected. That means the parking space is enough or adequate after the 5 years.
To reserve the best parking spot for the carpool bicycle. This is can increase parking supply in the nearby location. We recommend also can switch to daily parking. Okay, last but not least, we can share parking facilities.
For the conclusion, it is safe to say that the objective had achieved and the result had fulfilled all the inquiries by the library management. From the study, it had been noted that before taking any measure for the betterment of condition, information regarding the availability of parking space, the extent of usage, and parking demand is essential. There are some quick description of the parking recommendation were offered to help in the parking controls. By doing that, it can maximize the usage of parking, improve accessibility, and reduce car ownership.